Hello students, today we'll be studying mass. Definition of mass. Mass is fundamentally defined as the measure of the amount of matter contained in an object. We can understand this through an example. If you take a bottle full of water in one hand and a pen in the other, which of the two will have more weight? Obviously, the water bottle, because it contains more material, it has both water and plastic, so its weight is greater. The very definition of mass is the measure of the amount of matter present in an object. Key points about mass. Amount of matter, it represents the total stuff that makes up an object. Stuff refers to particles like protons, electrons, and neutrons, basically, whatever matter the object contains. Inertia, matter has the natural tendency to resist a change in its state of motion, and this property is called inertia. Constancy, mass does not change based on location. Your mass is the same on Earth, on the Moon, or in space. This means an object's mass remains the same everywhere, even if you were to take it to the Sun. But don't actually try that. SI unit. The SI unit of mass is the kilogram. Summary. The measure of the amount of matter contained in an object is called mass. Mass is a scalar quantity. Mass is constant everywhere. The SI unit of mass is the kilogram. Formula. M equals F upon A. Where M equals mass, F equals force, A equals acceleration.